Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In this video, we will learn about pronouns in Tulu. First one is Yana, means I, first person singular, and its plural forms are Inkulu and Nama. Inkulu is exclusive V and Nama is inclusive V. Exclusive means the person to whom spoken is not included, and inclusive means the person to whom spoken also included. Let us learn a few sentences using Yan, Nama and Inkulu. Yan niklige tulu kalpaondulla. Yan niklige tulu kalpaondulla. I am teaching Tulu to you. Nama ini movie poya. Let us go to movie today. Here Nama includes you and your friend with whom you are speaking. Inkulu ini movie povondulla ila barpana means we are going to movie today. Will you join us? Here Inkulu includes you and your other friends, but the person with whom you are speaking is not included. I hope you understood the difference. Okay, the next word is E, means you, second person singular. Its plural forms are Nikulu and Ir. Nikulu is used to address two or more people, and Ir is used to address a single person with respect. Like when you are speaking with elders or strangers, you can use Ir. Let us learn few sentences using E, Ir and Nikulu. Ir means who are you? Nikulu epa bartini. When did you come? Here we are addressing two or more people. When you are speaking with a single person with respect, you say Ir epa bartini. When did you come? Next word is imbe, he proximate, aye, he remote. These are third person masculine singular pronouns. Its feminine forms are imbalu or molu, she proximate, alu, she remote. Third person plural forms are makulu, they proximate, akulu, they remote. These pronouns used to address two or more people regardless of their gender. We have one more plural form which is used to address a single person with respect. Imberu or meru, he or she proximate, aru, he or she remote. These pronouns are used to address elders or strangers with respect regardless of their gender. Let us make few sentences using imbe, molu, aye, al, mokulu, akulu, mer and ar. Imbe enna megge, he is my younger brother. Molu enna megdi, she is my younger sister. Aye enna palaye, he is my older brother. Al enna pali, she is my older sister. Mary enna mamu, he is my uncle. Ar enna mami, she is my aunt. Mukulu enna dostilu, they are my friends. Akulu enna illadakulu, they are my family members. Next word is undu, means this. Au means that or it. These are third person neuter pronouns, and plural forms are undekulu or nekulu, means they or these. Aikulu, they or those. Let us learn few sentences using undu, au, nekulu and aikulu. Undu enna illu, this is my house. Au dada, What is that? Naikulu Sarvanamalu. These are pronouns. Aikulu Gubbandulla. They are playing. Okay, these are the pronouns in Tulu. These are used in nominative case. In oblique cases, these pronouns will change slightly. We will learn them in next video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.